Sisemzimkhulu wezorhatshe ekhabo labo bhazabhaza bamakhemeri kulapho indaba zididiyelwa khona. Nanzi esithujileko.
General Mkwanazi, instead of making allegations against me, should perhaps explain to this commission if he is in actual fact the conduit for Mr. Temi Marimoto. I laid a case against the members of IDAC for the way in which my case is being handled, for the fact that they came on national TV to discuss the merits of a case that was sub judice.
Ufadile Adams uyiphikile izwangobatsho evele noLieutenant Mkhwanazi ukuthi ubethuthela isiqhema esilele sako ilwazi.
It is very important for the state to disclose the docket to the defense before the trial commences so that the accused can thoroughly prepare for the trial.
Ahlanganisiwe amacala amabili wepolisi elijanyisiweyo emsebenzini uSergeant Fani Nkosi kodwa na icala lithwilele kwanamhlanje.
We received a letter from the President, Mr. Ramaphosa, indicating that he has an objection to the person recommended by the committee to be appointed as evidence leader.
Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa utlolele iParliament aphikisana nokukhethwa kwaka-Advocate Madonsela njengomholi wobufakazi ekomitini emphenyako. Siyalotshisa begodu siyanamukele emakhaya. Igama lami nginguCedric Mwebya, ngibawani ngamukele emakhaya endabeni zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1. Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa utlolele iParliament aphikisa isiqundo sekomiti ephenya umengameli sokuthi uAdvocate Tanzanani Madonsela abe mholi omkhulu wobufakazi. Ikomiti iqunde ukuthi uMadonsela abe mholi wobufakazi amalanga nakamahlanu kuRhoboyi. Nanyana kunjalo umengameli uphakamise inzathu ezimbili ezingaba sisekelo esigaba kuchayisana kwenkhuluphelo malungana noMadonsela. Ikomiti emphenya umengameli beyihlangene njengethungelwano lemoyeni namhlanje.
Kusukela emlayweni esikhatshana wekhotho ukujamisa umsebenzi wekomiti ephenye ebujameni bokubeka icala ukuya kesinye isithiyo esisemthethweni esibekwe endleleni sibuye siriyadisa ikambiso.
We received a letter from the President, Mr. Ramaphosa, indicating that he has an objection to the person recommended by the committee to be appointed as evidence leader. As we received that letter quite late yesterday evening, we have not had time to apply our minds and discuss this further.
Mbili izinto umengameli angavumelani nazo ngoMadonsela. Kokuthoma, njengoba noMadonsela aluleke ANC ngekambiso yokususa umengameli esikhundleni, umengameli uthwenyekile ngelwazi analo. Kwesibili, kunokuthwenyeka ngokuthi ngenzeka abe nehloyo namkhokuthileko afuna ukukubuyiselela kumengameli. Ngemva kokuthi umengameli amsusa esikhundleni sokuba ngukommissionary wakhethwa ku-Judicial Service Commission ngo-2022. Ikomiti beyihlukene phakathi malungana nokuthi kufuze ifune umbono malungana nokuphikisa kwakamengameli namkhanjani. Ikomiti le yokuhlangana kodwa ngenyanga ezako.
Ikhotho ephakemeko eJohannesburg ikuthiliswe kokugcina ukufikela mhla amalanga nakali-18 kuKhukhulamungu kulalela kwecala losolwa ngokubulala uVictor Majola oqalene neentshijelo zemali zokubhadela amagcwetha. uMajola usolwa ngokurera iqhinga lokubulala uWarwick Stock owaziwa ngelika DJ Waras owabulawa ngomnyaka opheleleko. uAmide Phakula nasola naye balivumile icala lokubulala lokuthi babhadelwe kanti ugwetshwa iminyaka ema-25 ejele.
Ekuthomeni igcwetha likaMajola libawe ikhotho bona iriyadise ukulalelwa kwecala imveke ezisithandathu nabasalinga ukulungisa imiraro yezemali yokubhadela amagcwetha kodwana umbuso wasiphayela ngeqadi isibawesi.
I've been instructed by accused number 2 and his family supporting him to request a further and for that purpose final postponement for them to make the necessary arrangements.
Nanyana kunjalo kodwana umndeni kaMajola ubawe ukunikelwa isikhathi esingeziweko ukwenza amalungiselelo wekhonakalo yokubana bafumane igcwetha langeqadi. Ijaji lisamkele isibawesi labanikela imveke ezine kwaphela.
I'm of the prima facie view that bearing in mind the accused right to choose his own representative, that should be sufficient time for the family the accused and or the family to be in a position to inform counsel, we've got the money, we are retaining you or not.
Lamva nje kumsolwa osolwa ngokubulala uDJ Waras uArmindo Pacula walivuma icala lokubulala phambi kombuso, waveza nokubana wabhadelwa i25,000 rand bona enze lokhu. Unikelwe isigwebo sokuqeda iminyaka 25 ngejele, kanti kunekhonakalo yokubana kubotshwe abanye abasolwa ecaleneli.
Isekela lomnqophisi walokhu we-NPA u-Advocate Jacobus Pretorius ulinge ukulungisa lokho akuhlathulule njengomchapho ebufakazini bomtshotshozeli walokhu okhabe alwa nombuso webandlululo uFrank Chikane ekomishini yamaqiniso nokubuyisana elalelwe eNewtown eJohannesburg.
U-Advocate Jacobus Pretorius uchijile ubufakazi obukhutshwe nguChikana phambilini bokubana iphiko lezokutshutshisa komphakathi i-NPA akhange ilandelele imininingwana ehlotshaniswa nokusetshenziswa kwamakhemikhali egade abandakanya izikhali ezazisetshenziswa mbuso webandlululo.
Transphrased, who stopped prosecution of TRC cases? That you can't answer.
Ukungezelela lapho ubuye godu wabuzisisa ngezwa ngobatsho yokubana akhange kwatshutshiswa isikhulu ebesidosa phambili iProject Coast uVorta Basin. Kuzwakala nokuthi uChikwane wathelelwa ichefu ekudleni ngo-1989 kanti abantu ebebalinga ukumbulala bavuma amacala ku-NPA ukwenzela bona baphungulelwe isigwebo.
I don't have personal knowledge of that. So to a certain extent, I agree with you. But I'm also not oblivious what happened around me. There was no prosecution of Chris Gert in money in 2005. It only materialized in 2007. And then after the World Cup in 2010, we've got three investigators looking at those things. So I lived through those times.
uPretorius utshele ikomishini lebona akhange abanelwazi eliyifihlo elihlotshaniswa nokucaphela kwakhe kwezepolitiki, waveza nokuthi kade azi ngalokho okwenzekako nokuriyada kwangabomu kwezepolitiki.
Ahlanganisiwe amacala amabili wepolisi elijanyiswe emsebenzini uSergeant Fanny Nkosi kanti ukulalela kwawo kuthuliswe lamalanga nakali-15 kuKhukhulamungu ekhotho yesingi sePitori ukwenzela ukuthi kunikelwe ngamadokethi ngokupheleleko. Lokhu kunjengombana umbuso ukulungiselela icala lekaNkosi elilindwe ngamehlo abovu. uNkosi bekayingcenye yesiqhema samapholisa esitsheje ubulelesi obuhleliweko wajanyiswa emsebenzini ekupheleni kukaNtaka umnyaka lo. Wayokubotshwa ngemva kwamalanga ajanyiswe emsebenzini ngemva kokusetshwa emzini wakhe ePretoria North. uNkosi usazokuhlala emaseleni.
Icala likaNkosi lidluliselwe ekhotho yesingi sePitori ngemva kokuthi ibandla lezokutshutshisa komphakathi lithola amaphepha avumela ukuhlanganiswa kwamacala kaNkosi womabili. Ecaleni lokuthoma uNkosi uqalene necala lokulwisana nesandla somthetho ngemva kwezwa ngobatsho yokuthi wafika estage samapholisa seThohoyandou eLimpopo ngo-2022 wazenza isikhulu samapholisa esivele ePitori. Ecaleni lesibili uqalene namacala ambalwa afaka hlangana ukweba, ukukhwabanisa nokulwisana nesandla somthetho ngemva kokuthi isiqhema samapholisa sibatsho samthola nenkulu ezingasisemthethweni ingidi yamadoketi nemali eningi nabe kusetshwe emzini wakhe ePretoria North.
This is very important for the state to disclose the docket to the defense before the trial commences so that the accused can thoroughly prepare for the trial.
uNkosi solavalelwa ngosihlabantangana umnyaka lo kanti uzokuhlala emaseleni bekayokuvela ekhotho godu amalanga nakali-15 kuKhukhulamungu. Umbuso ukholwa ukuthi unobufakazi obaneleko begodu sekusele kunikelwe ngamadoketi kwaphela.
Nasibuya entolo.
Sinamalanga singagezi kosamde sigeze ngamanzi ayi-1 si-4.
Baphelelwe kubekezela abahlali beValkra leyaziwa ngeRhobokwane ehlanu kwesiyabuswa bavala indlela bafuna amanzi bathe batsho banenyanga bawagcina. Indaba sekhona lapha mbukele nazikuphundileko ziyatholakala ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku-Facebook. Asifake nazo. Ilunga leParlamente uFadel Adams uziphikile insolo ezavezwa nguKommissioner wamapholisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi zokuthi batsho uAdams usebenza njengelunga lesiqhema senilelezi. Kunalokho uAdams uchugulule izinto wathi batsho uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi nguye onobudlelwane nosomabhizinisi ekuthiwa nguTimmy Marimuthu. Amhlathulula njengesilelesi esaziwako. Nanyana kunjalo istatement sakhe besingahlali kuhle endabeni ye-affidavit yesigaba sama-27 esiveze insolo zendaba ye-IDEC yokuqothala kwengikhulu zamapholisa ekungu-Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo kunye no-General Fani Masemulo ngokuya kofakazi bekomitshini.
Kubonakala ngathi akunakuthelelana amanzi phakathi kwelunga leParlamente uFadel Adams kunye noKommissioner wamapholisa esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Lokhu kuvele uAdams nakaphendula insolo zikaMkhwanazi ezithi uAdams waqatshwa bongqondongqondo bezobulelesi obuhleliweko ukuthi abe ngutamnana ozokusiza ukufadalalisa umnyango wamapholisa.
General Mkhwanazi, instead of making allegations against me, should perhaps explain to this commission if he is in actual fact the conduit for Mr. Timmy Marimuthu, a known criminal who he is alleged to have a close relationship with. There are in fact allegations that General Mkhwanazi has interfered in the arrest of Mr. Marimuthu, and it is a fact that Mr. Marimuthu's wife has worked in crime intelligence as a police colonel, her first job in the province of KZN, where General Mkhwanazi is the provincial commissioner.
uAdams godu ebufakazini bakhe uphose indonga egqotheni le-IDEC uadvocate Rushanta Ramsemi ovuzise indaba yezenzo ezingasemthethweni ezenzeke eprojektini iProject Diversion, iproject yokulahla umtlhala ebekulihlelo lokuphenya le-IDEC eliphenya ebelelesini bezobuhlakani ebuvele eaffidavitini yendinyana ka-section 27 ka-Adams. Nanyana kunjalo uAdams ubonakele anganandaba nelandelela i-affidavit yakhe, sewathi yena akangeni lapho ayimthindi indaba leyo. Indaba ebekayiqale khulu ngeyomgadangiso kaRamsemi wamalanga nakasithandathu kuTjhirhweni nakahlangene naye nabaseKapa.
Advocate Ramsamy also states under oath that she advised me that I'm in possession of the documents, that me being in possession of the documents was a criminal offense. She has admitted that she recorded the entire conversation of my meeting with IDEC, and because I am confident in my truth, I implore this commission to request that recording and play it before the nation. Many things were said, including a claim from Advocate Ramsamy that she had to flee KZN because of an investigation into SAPS and out of fear of Lieutenant General Khumalo.
Ukulayula ukomitshini kuyaraga.
Ingozi zendlela kusesemraro wakosodiye eSouth Africa. Kanti izazi ziyelelisa ngelithi ingozi eziningi zibangelwa indlela abantu abaziphatha ngayo. Lokho kuvele ngesikhathi abahubhululi ngezokuthutha, abasonjiniyera nezazi ngezokuphepha endleleni bahlanganise inhloko emhlanganweni. Umhlangano lo kubingwe ngawo ukuhlola umthelela wokuziphatha, imigomo nemthelela yemthangalosisekelo ngezokuphepha endleleni. Kufunwe nensombululo ukwenzela ukuphungula ukubhubha kwabantu endleleni.
Izazithi nakuza kuthuthuka zokuphepha endleleni zeSouth Africa kufuneka kuqalwe msinya ukuziphatha kwabantu nokuhlelwa kwemthangalasisekelo njengoba ingozi eziningi zihlotshaniswa nezibangelwe ukuziphatha kwabantu ekuyinto ebeyingakhandeleka.
We need to be very intentional of how we plan and design around these areas. We need to be very intentional of how people access services, and also take into consideration the fact that high speeds kill.
Bayelelisana nangokuthi ikambiso elula nje yokuphepha njengokubopha ibhande esithuthini somphakathi ayithathelwe ehloko, ngikho lokho ekubangela ukuthi kube nemiphefumulo ephumako nakwenzeka ingozi.
Public transport users, they do not put on seat belt. So you can maybe say, oh, well, the driver did not say we must put on the seat belt, but if you take the safety responsibility upon yourself, you would know that restraining yourself in a public vehicle allows you to arrive safely where you're going in case of an accident.
Izazi ngezokuphepha endleleni zithi lokhu bangela isibalo esiphezulu sokubhubhela kwabantu endleleni zeSouth Africa.
The fatal five that we often talk about are speed, impaired driving through drinking, through drugs, or through distraction, for instance, using a cell phone while driving, seatbelt non-use, child restraint non-use, and motorcycle helmet non-use. Now, those fatal 5 kill more people globally than almost any other kind of behavior.
Izazi zithi kufuneka ukubambisana phakathi kwakahulumende, abosonjiniyera nemphakathi khona kuzakuphunguka ukubhubha kwabantu kuthuthukiswe nezokuphepha endleleni zeSouth Africa.
Umphakathi weValkral eseGobokwane ehlanu kwesiyabuswa ngaphasi kwamasipalata weElias Motsoaledi ulila somhlako wamanzi bathi sele kuzinyanga bavalelwe amanzi kanti namhlanje bavukele endleleni bayokuchagala. Umbiki indaba weSABC uphindile Msiza usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Le yindlela iR568 eValkral hlanu kweGobokwane. Umphakathi walapha uvuke wazala indlela ufuna amanzi bathi seyizinyanga banganawo. Umphakathi weValkral ngaphasi komasipalata weElias Motsoaledi esingini sesikhukhuni uthi ukateleleka bona uyokha amanzi ngemlanjeni ngombana nemali yokubhadela iVaterkan abanayo. Inkoloyi bezigeka ngeqadi kanti abanye baliyeke ukuya emsebenzini. Kube kwafika namapholisa.
Siyawashela abantwana, siyapheka ngamanzi, siyakosa sigeze. Sinamalanga singagezi, kosa mde sigeze ngamanzi ayi1 si4. And then impilo njani yona le abantu babhala kuyemberegweni ngendaba yamanzi. Siba amanzi phela, basivulele amanzi. Sibhala kudla, mele siye ngemlanjeni sokha amanzi. Asinayo imali emaVaterkan ama200 sokuthola amanzi.
Mawukuthi umuroka nesikhukhuni balo, abakhambe bayokucabana impilo zabo ikhotho, bazwana ukuthi bakubhadalana njani. And then abantu bana bathola amanzi bangalingi isithaba lesabo.
Umphakathi lo uthi akusinga kokuthoma baba nomraro ofana nalo naphambilini kwafanele bona bachagale ngaphambi kobana umasipalata wesingisi esikhukhuni abavulele amanzi. Bathi ke babamba nomhlangano nesikhulu esiphetheza amanzi esingini sesikhukhuni kodwana kwagcina kunganatla. Silingile ukufumana isingisi esikhukhuni ukuthi siphendule mayelana nendaba le. But bacho basakhulumisana nabaphathi bazakuthi bangakhuluma babuyele kithi bekube nje bebangakabuyi. Umphakathi weValkral bowuchagale nje kube indaba yomkhawulo phakathi kweLimpopo neMpumalanga ngombana kube nenkulumo ezithi umasipalata wesingisi esikhukhune ukolodana nomasipalata weDr JS Moroka imali ethileko ngombana bomasipalata ababili aba bahlukaniswa pheze indlela phakathi. Abaholi bomphakathi bagcine babambe umhlangano nomasipalata weDr JS Moroka obathembisileko bona ukusukela nje angekhe asabavalela amanzi. Umasipalata lo uthi imiraro abanayo nesingisi esikhukhune akafaneli ibambe izenzelwa zomphakathi. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba zeSABC eAuckland Park eJohannesburg.
Asiqale umbono wakho umbukeli ngale ndaba yokuthi ingozi zendlela zibangwa kuziphatha kwabantu. Nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Bekezelelani nomunye ufuna ukushayela ngendlela yakhe yena azi ngayo ukushayela.
Sibashayeli bethu bangashayeli badle manje lambonjwane kodwa nje iningi ingozi kakhulu sidalwa imigwaqo emibi ama-potholes emgaqweni.
The most yabantu baphuza beshayela okuyinto wrong kakhulu.
Enye yezinto abenza ngazo ukuba bafune ukuphatha ifoni imoto ihamba.
Basela utshwala bangene ngaphakathi kwenkoloyi kwenzeke ingozi.
Ingozi eziningi zibangelwa ukuqhuba usela uphinde uphendule iselfoni ube uqhuba.
Thina abashayeli yithe esingahloniphi impawu zomgwaqo. Uthola mhlawumbe robot senzovala nama-caution uqhamuka uyagijima.
Kanti abantu abahamba endleleni abafaka ama-reflector ukuze babonakale.
Abashayeli abohloniphi isidala imithetho yemigwaqo phezu kwalokho baphuza kakhulu utshwala kanti basazongena emva kwesteering.
Umbono ngeyombukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Kezemali iranda linzinzile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Indaba ziphelela lapha kusasa ngezeswati kanti ngesimbi yekhomba ngezesulu nisale nomusa.